So I found this house on Redfin, and what makes it good is that we have the bedroom information for specific dimensions per room, and then we also have lots of pictures that especially show um, one room going into another. So here we've got a picture of the living room. We can tell that this big window here is the big window in the front of the house, and then we can tell that across from that big window, this leads into a blue room with a small white table in it. And so we can start to find there's that small white table, and this is the dining room. And so we know that this room is the kitchen, which is directly behind this wall. And so that's how we can start to piece together the different rooms. If we go down and look at the living room dimensions, we've got 17 by 11. And so one way that you can do this is on Google Drawing, you can make a rectangle and then make it 17 squares wide by 11 deep. So we've got 6, 7, 8, 17, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now that I have a room that's the right size, I can call this living room by double clicking it and typing. And now I can move this around and put it located where I think it would be in the house. So I know that that's at the front left of the house. And so I'll put it down here. The kitchen would be back here, and the other rooms would be around there. And so why this is helpful by making each room its own rectangle is that we can reposition them and then find out where there are maybe missing spots or areas that we can fit a room that we might not have a picture of into the middle of them. The other thing that we can do is go to this PDF and rotate it first. So here what we can do is we can edit it by drawing on top of the lines like we have before. So I'll grab a different color, not black, and I could draw starting there and go 17 up. At 17 and then 11 over. And then I can draw this rectangle to make it the living room. What's a little bit harder with this is that once it's drawn, you can't really slide it around. And so I would probably recommend using the Google Drawing method.